Once again, it's me, Otis O Dog, here doing karaoke dog in the truck. That's right. I'm in the truck, bored. I ain't got shit else to do but sing these songs. The king right now, hands down, is R. Kelley. The sky. Think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. See me running through that open door. Ooh, I believe I can fly. Woo. There's nothing to it. I believe I can fly. Woo. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. See me coming through that open door. Ooh, I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. Yeah, I believe in my wings. I can fly. I believe. I just spread my wings. Oh, can fly. Damn, hold on, R. Kelley. Ooh, fly, 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 fly. Yes! The king, the true king of R&B, my man, R. Kelley. Shout out to R. Kelley. Shout out to all you R&B singers, man. Why don't y'all get together? You know what I'm saying? Do something together, man. Put a big R&B group together. All y'all. All the old school. All y'all get together, man. Let's see that concert Bobby B talking about. I want to see that shit. For real, dog. So, that's it. I'm out karaoke dog in the truck. Appreciate y'all coming in. Listen to me. Sharing with me all these songs I love. I sing in this damn truck when I'm bored and ain't got shit to do. When I'm waiting on a damn load. I holla.